Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Algebra Play together, step by step. Algebra is the language of mathematics. Here we use identities to expand quickly and factorization to break expressions back into simpler pieces. Three identities do most of the work: the square of a sum, the square of a difference, and the difference of two squares. Learn them both ways, to expand and to factorize. To factorize, first pull out any common factor, then look to group terms or recognize an identity. Factorization is just expansion run in reverse. Factorize x squared minus 9. Recognize it as x squared minus 3 squared, a difference of squares, so it factors as x plus 3 times x minus 3. For 6x squared plus 9x, the common factor is 3x. Taking it out leaves 3x times 2x plus 3. To recap, master the three identities both ways. Factorizing is expansion in reverse, and always look for a common factor before anything else. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.